We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry... Yeah, man. 'Tis the season to be jolly and to be ready to spend some money on some shoes and you know, all the goodies that we plan on getting underneath our Christmas trees, y'all, because since we are in the month of December... Bruh, what is you doing? You do know we still in October, right? Bruh. Come on, man. A little too early? YouTube! When the jersey matched the hat and the hat matched the kicks, family! Merry Christmas to all. I'm a little too early. I'm way too early, man. What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Early J Hill, man. Today it's Saturday. It's a slow Saturday. Usually we outside on Saturdays, man, but I said I'm gonna take this week off. I'm gonna give the stores a little bit of time to fill up, y'all, because I already know if I pop out to any stores today, we gonna see Shadow Bad Boys, probably some Rare Air 3s, some Pure Money 3s. Bro, y'all already know the whole list. We gonna see the same shoe that we've been seeing for the last couple of weeks, so it is okay sometimes to take a little bit of time off and let the stores fill up their inventory so we can go and see some things that we potentially might like. And speaking of seeing some things, y'all, for those of y'all who have been watching my vlogs, man, there was a specific piece that your boy Jay has been eyeing, y'all. I had my binoculars on, you know what I'm saying? I've been eyeing it, and I told you guys about me having a potential interest in said item, and y'all was like, bro, go get it, bro, you can always do this to it. And it was, you know, some good information and feedback that y'all gave me, but I ended up finding it in my size, and guess what, y'all? It has fell in my hands. Bang! So there was another skate shop. I forgot the exact skate shop. I might put it up somewhere on the screen, but there was a skate shop who had this item in stock, and it was in my size, so I said, let me go on and grab it. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and I had this for maybe almost going on 2 weeks now. I had this for a little while because right after I made the video, how am I gonna cut this open without harming myself? Let me just yeah, let's just slice it. But anyways, yeah, I bought it right after I did the video and spoke upon it. So if you guys know what the vlog I'm talking about, I ordered it pretty much that same day. But hold on, comes with a receipt in here, right? Yeah, so there's a receipt in here, and it was from Black Sheep Skate Shop, y'all. Black Sheep Skate Shop. If you know where that is, where it's located, if it's in your area, comment down below. But I did pick up a pair of pants, y'all. So if you know, you know. Like I said, I took you guys along with me to my local skate shop, and they did have these in their store, but they didn't have my size. And guess what? Your boy Jay found his size, man. So I ended up copping these camo pants. This is Dickies, as you can see right there. It says Dickies right there where my finger is pointing to, but this is a pair of Dickies. Actually, you got the logo right there, better yet, you got the Dickies logo. So, but these right here, I thought were dope. I specifically got these pants to wear with, bang, something such as my undefeated 4s. However, I don't even need to do undefeateds with these. And if I do rock them with my undefeateds, I'm gonna go black laces because the orange is just a little too much for me. But I'm gonna go black laces if I do wear it with this. But we also do have another option, y'all. Bang! I can go family affair 3s, which might be the move. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, because that gum bottom sets off the brown in the pants, y'all. But you know, just some pieces that I'm having for the fall, you know. So I'm glad I was able to find these. I told you I was eyeing them, but yes, man, just something that your boy picked up. And if you guys want any of these, I still do have sizes available. I want to say I still have an 8 through 13, man, in the family affairs. But y'all hit me up if y'all want family affairs. But yeah, man, that's my quick fit right there. And hit me up at JTSG Closet. I don't even know if I said that, but JTSG Closet. If you don't have social media, send me a DM or email, better yet, send me an email. My email is in the description, and I got you on that. But yeah, man, with these, yeah, out the way, bang! How are y'all feeling today on this Saturday, man. Look, for all my newcomers, first time viewers, if this is your first time watching, stopping through, I would love for you to stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hey, double check, man. There's a lot of y'all that even comment. I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate you being honest. People say, hey, I've been watching you for so long, I just never been subscribed, man. Look, today is the day. Your boy Jay has got you. Trust me, I got you. I ain't gonna steer you wrong. Hit that subscribe button as well as hit the thumbs up, man. Your boy Jay is in December. Do I gotta put the Santa hat back on, bro? Do I gotta do that and you know what I'm saying, get my bag out? You know what I'm saying? Like, do I gotta do that? Speaking of bags, y'all, holiday season is approaching, man, and you gotta go ahead and get yourself or that special someone one for a gift, y'all. Boy, you almost took me out with this one, my boy. Bang! So, y'all, I have been rolling out the bags that I have picked up recently, y'all, from Soul Premise, y'all. So this is the last one of the 3 bags that I did pick up recently. Huge sale always going on over there with the link down below, y'all. All you gotta do is click that link, add whatever item to your cart, and the coupon code will automatically be applied. Like, simplify, like the easiest way to get yourself almost 45%. Not even almost 45. You get 45% off. So almost half off on any one of their products over there, y'all. I haven't seen this yet. This is still wrapped up, boxed up, straight from Soul Premise. The last bag I showed y'all was the white bag. If you guys caught that video, a lot of y'all like that white bag. It's just, it might be a little bit too clean for me, y'all. I'm scared. I'm nervous to wear it, but I think I'm gonna give it to my wife and let her rock it because she might be a little more cleaner than me. You know me, I'm gonna be out, I'm getting it out the mud out here, man. So I'll be throwing it all type of places, but she'll be a little more delicate with it. But as I'm trying to open this up, y'all, holidays is coming up, y'all. If you guys want to grab any early items, any early gifts, get people out the way, I would suggest you stop over there, check it out. Really, I would recommend you grab something for yourself so you can see the quality type of product you're getting for whoever you're getting a gift for the holiday season, man. But definitely tap in, bro. And this one right here, this go crazy, bro. So this one is, what kind of blue is this? Is this like a rare air blue? They should have called this the rare luggage roller, y'all. But this right here is dope, y'all. But bang, you see it, man. It is the blue luggage roller, y'all. This is the mini one. If I'm taking maybe a 2-day trip, I could possibly take this one with me. But my duffel is always my go-to. I always tell y'all that. But this luggage roller, y'all, it has its own self-locking mechanism, y'all. You do not need a lock. This is dope, y'all. Definitely a dope little travel mini luggage bag. It does have, of course, the latch where you can make it bigger or retractable on the inside. Hey, pause. But yeah, man, this is cold. Of course, Soul Premise, the only way to travel, y'all. Do I want to open it? Man, it's too much to open it right now. I'll probably open it in another video because we got to move on. But yeah, definitely check them out. I had to get me another one of these because my older one is starting to get beat up, as you can see. Hold on. Right back there in the back, I got a big one. That black one right there, that's a big one. And then I do got my duffels back there, man. So your boy Jay don't be capping, y'all. I be stacking them up, and I'm just trying to spread the word to y'all. Look, if y'all want any good bags to travel with or just daily bags, I showed y'all my recently picked up tactical bag, y'all. Like, this is gonna be a bag that I'm gonna be using a lot just to kind of see how it feels. But one of my recent pickups, y'all, definitely a dope bag. But tap in, y'all. The link is down below. All you gotta do is click the link and the promo code will automatically be applied. If you don't want to do that, simply use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. It will get you the same perks. But why take an extra step when you can just click the link, you know what I'm saying? But outside of all that, man, we do have to talk about December. I know through the intro, y'all thought it was Christmas time, huh? I did too. I ain't gonna cap. I was confused. You know my dates be all mixed up. You know, future Jay, early Jay, all that, you know what I'm saying? But we do have a shoe that is set to be releasing in December. I am not sure of the exact day in December, but it's rumored to be releasing in December, y'all. So let's go ahead and see what your boy Jay got. Man, another one of these. Bang! So you see what's going on, man. So take a look at what we have here, y'all. We do got some elephant print on the box, and this box not only has elephant print on it, y'all, very similar to Brick by Brick Air Jordan 4s, shoes such as that has a textured material on the box. This has a textured material, so it kind of feels like it's not smooth. It's like sandpaper or some sort of grooviness, and I guess that's kind of to, is this cement or elephant print? Because I would say cement might have like a gravel feeling. I don't know. This might be a cement. I don't know, but it does have a texture on the box lid and all throughout the box. You got the red Nike. Of course, everything else is very just normal to a regular Jordan 1, but size tag on this one does read Air Jordan Retro High OG, color blocking is Sail University Red Pale Ivory. And I got that good old size mine just to see if I want to keep them, if I like them, you know what I'm saying? But I did tell you guys in the intro, they need to put these up. They need to put the Jordan 1s up. They doing too much with them, y'all, but I don't think they're ever gonna get the hint of what people like myself is saying. But popping off the box lid, you got a lot number. That is pretty much it on the top of the box lid right there. Inside, y'all, we do have the 2025 Jordan 1 High OG. Is this the elephant print or the cements? I don't know, but I got cement on my hat, so we gonna roll with cements, y'all. What we doing with these, y'all? Bang! So here we have them, y'all. The Jordan 1 elephant prints, y'all. We gonna call them elephant prints for now, y'all. These are set to be releasing in December, and these are gonna be sitters, y'all. These are definitely gonna be sitters. That's just my opinion, my hot take on them. It's Jordan 1s, y'all. The only Jordan 1 I feel that will sell out in this day and age, if it does come out, is these right here, y'all. Ain't nothing else gonna move the needle. Ain't nothing else gonna have y'all coming outside y'all house, lining up, trying to call the store, seeing who's getting them outside of a Bread High 85. Maybe in Chicago, but just in realistic terms of what we know we're supposed to be getting, it's gotta be these. But we ain't talking about those, man. So these right here, proper introduction. Bang! The Jordan 1 elephant prints. They decent, bro. They clean, man. They're a clean shoe, but they might be too clean, you know. I don't know, man. But it does feature a all white upper or a dirty white. That's what I'm gonna call it, y'all. A dirty white. It is not a complete like white. It's a dirty white, and you do got the gray hits alongside the ankle collar, the wings logo, the swoosh, with of course the elephant print going all throughout it. But yes, man, you do have these here with a splash of red. Take a look at the back, y'all. So you do got a splash of red on the zigzag stitching on the back right there, and you can see it easily right here that it's like a dirty white or almost a cream sail to say. But you do got a splash of red both on the back and on the Nike Air. And it made me wonder, why does these not come with any extra laces, red in particularly? But it just comes with white laces with, here's the caveat, red tips. So you got white laces with red tips, y'all. That's the splash of red that we get. But I know a lot of people will probably be throwing red laces in here. But definitely a clean shoe, very clean shoe. One of the things that stood out to me was that toe box, y'all. So take a look at the toe box. You do have a little touch of Eric Costin. If you guys remember, Eric Costin had a pair of Jordan 1s, which is selling for a ridiculous amount right now. They were sitting in my area. I remember when they released, they were sitting at my local skate shop. It was a Jordan 1. It might be a Jordan 1 SB low. I think it is a Jordan 1 SB low, but the Eric Costin joints that had the baby jump man on the toe box, the red one, that shoe selling for a crazy amount. And I don't recall too many Jordan 1s that does have that type of detailing on the toe box, but these definitely got the baby Jumpman on the toe box. Just a little added, you know, something added on the shoe to say. But tongue, you do got the exposed foam tongue. It is a very defined yellow, as you can see right there. But a nice touch too is the outsole, y'all, man. So it does have Flight written on the outsole. If you guys are into that, man, I'm not mad at that, y'all. It does say Flight on the bottom. But yeah, man, these are clean, man. Definitely worth checking out, man. Definitely worth checking out, but I just know that these will probably be in the outlet near you, y'all. $100. I see these going for the low, so just get ready to see these on shelves. And like I always tell y'all, when it comes to shoes like this, all white, man, stay away from the pairs that are on the shelf, because these are gonna get food court grease, chicken bone grease, Panda Express grease, like you name it, it's all gonna be over these shoes, man. But y'all comment down below. I wonder, is that a basketball texture around the ankle collar? You see like that bumpiness groove? I wonder, is that like a basketball? It could be several things. It could be a reptile skin, but I mean, we talking about a basketball shoe, so I would lean more towards that being like you know, the material of a basketball to say, but who knows what it is, you know. But yeah, man, these right here releasing in December. Is it a cop? Is it a pass? With everything releasing, like I said, I gotta stand on 10 when I say these joints are gonna be sitting hard, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it is what it is. It's a decent shoe, but I just think that people will be spending their money on other things before they spend their money on these. But I'm not mad at them. Jordan Brand, if just one of you sees this video, please put the Jordan 1s up for a little bit. I mean, would you guys like to see them put the OG highs up and keep doing the lows and the mids, or just put them up all together? You know, I don't think that will ever happen. That might be more of a request than we could ask for, but I would just love to see the OG highs get put up for a little bit, because I feel like they're being disrespected. Like, this is just, y'all could have kept these, you know. But someone's gonna like it. A lot of people are probably gonna hate it. Not even hate it, they're just gonna overlook them. But it's not bad, man. But releasing in December, we do have the Jordan 1 High OG elephant print joints, man. Y'all give me your thoughts. But that is pretty much it, man. Your boy Jay is checking out, man. Got some more early heat in the building. We just rolling them out day by day. As always, I appreciate y'all. Leave y'all feedback down below in the comment section, man. I appreciate all those of you who have been commenting, who have been engaging with the videos, coming through, hitting the thumbs up. Hey, it's always good vibes whenever I chop it up with y'all in the comment section. That is why your boy Jay is just thinking heavy about doing some more live streams, just so I can interact with y'all like right there on the spot, you know what I'm saying? But appreciate y'all. Cop Pass Jordan 1 elephant prints. Yeah, I'm going to the next one, y'all. Out of here.